you want to become an accounting professional in 2025, this is everything I would do right now. I'm Khalil Jackson, an accounting professional with 12 years of experience in the field. I'm also a career coach with CourseCareers, where I help students navigate their path in accounting careers. How much do you make as an accounting manager? I make $120,000. How long have I been doing accounting? 12 years. In this video, I'm going to reveal the 5-level pyramid to becoming an accounting professional. You have to go in order because each level builds on a previous one, and it gets smaller as we go up because it gets more challenging. Before I dive into the pyramid, let me tell you about the fastest way to test if this career path is right for you. CourseCareers offers a completely free accounting intro course that'll show you exactly what the day-to-day work looks like, what employers expect, and whether accounting matches your interests and goals. They also have a free AI career counselor that helps match you to the perfect accounting specialization. The best part, you can start for free right now with zero risk. I'll put the link in the description so you can check it out while we go through this system. Let's get started with level 1. The biggest mistake people make is falling into the theory trap. They watch endless YouTube videos about accounting principles, but never work with real financial data or apply what they're learning. This passive learning is a dead end. You need to shift your mindset from passive consumption to active application. Knowledge without practice is worthless in accounting. Learn accounting fundamentals by understanding financial statements like balance sheets and income statements, double entry bookkeeping principles, accounts receivable and payable processes, basic tax concepts, compliance procedures around financial regulations, and proper software usage. Apply immediately with practice exercises. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start practicing while learning. Level 2, 3 essential projects to get you started. Master basic accounting software. Get hands-on with QuickBooks, Excel functions, financial calculators, accounting databases, and reporting tools. Learn what each program does. Practice journal entries and understand financial report generation. Study real business financial statements. Visit company websites. Examine annual reports or observe small business operations. Look at balance sheets, income statements, cash flow statements, and tax documents. Identify components like assets, liabilities, revenue, and expenses. Understand how they work together as complete financial systems. Practice reading financial documents. Download company annual reports and practice interpreting financial statements and accounting notes. Start with simple business financials and work up to complex corporate reports. This foundation is critical because everything builds on these basics. Level 3, portfolio-worthy projects. Baby projects don't count. You need portfolio-worthy work, demonstrating real accounting knowledge and analytical ability. Projects are your experience before you have experience. They prove your understanding of financial principles and can solve real-world problems. Impact matters more than software. It's about demonstrating you understand accounting concepts and think like a professional. 3 project levels. Create comprehensive financial analysis. Choose a public company and document everything. Download financial statements, calculate financial ratios, analyze trends over multiple years, and examine cash flow patterns. Create detailed reports with findings and business recommendations. This shows you can systematically evaluate financial performance. Design basic budgeting framework. Use proper forecasting methods. Show variance analysis understanding and specify budget categories and allocations. Include projections showing revenue estimates, expense planning, and capital requirements. This proves you understand financial planning fundamentals. Develop accounting procedures manual. Research best practices, create step-by-step processes, develop month-end close checklists, and include internal control protocols. Make it detailed enough for another accountant to follow. This demonstrates systematic thinking about accounting operations. Remember, it's not about how impressive your software skills are. It's about showing you can understand, analyze, and work with financial information from day 1. Level 4, resume optimization. Average resumes fail because they're generic and aren't optimized for applicant tracking systems that screen resumes before humans see them. Use the XYZ formula for every bullet point. Accomplish X through Y, resulting in Z. This shows impact, not just responsibilities. Quantify results with numbers and metrics. Even without accounting experience, show transferable skills with measurable results. Here are mandatory resume sections: full name, phone, professional email, and portfolio links. Make it easier for employers to contact you. High school diploma, accounting training, and certifications. Phrase everything to highlight accounting skills. Instead of completed math course, write applied mathematical practical principles to financial analysis and budget calculations. Show transferable skills using XYZ format. Example, improved financial accuracy through systematic reconciliation procedures, resulting in 20% fewer discrepancies. Detail impact and value of your accounting projects, not just titles. Show problems identified, solutions developed, and results achieved. Be specific about your contributions. List relevant accounting and analytical skills like financial statement analysis, Excel modeling, budget preparation, and specific software. Never use labels like beginner or intermediate. Now let's talk about networking and referrals. Mass applications don't work anymore. Online job boards are flooded with applications, many generated by AI, and your resume gets lost in the noise. The solution is personal outreach and referral networks. Referrals are essential for getting noticed and landing interviews. Here are 3 referral strategies. Reach out to accounting professionals on LinkedIn or through CPA associations. Ask specific questions like, can you suggest anything that would help me land this position? Most experienced professionals give advice, and this starts building relationships. Build deeper relationships with hiring managers. Join local accounting societies, attend seminars, and visit firms during networking events. Become a familiar face in the local accounting community. Position yourself as serious about accounting by sharing knowledge online. Post about projects, share accounting tips, and comment on industry discussions. This makes opportunities come to you. From my experience, show up at accounting firms in the morning with a resume. Meet partners and have real conversations. This personal approach works much better than online applications. Consistency is key. Building networks takes time, but effectively finds opportunities that aren't publicly posted. Even with strong skills, impressive projects, and solid referrals, you must still pass interviews. Many candidates fail because they don't prepare properly. Learn role-specific frameworks and common accounting interview questions. Study questions about financial analysis, ethical scenarios, client service situations, and technical problem solving. Research the company's specific industry and accounting systems. Practice using real accounting scenarios. Work through financial problems aloud. Explain how financial statements work simply. Demonstrate your thinking process when analyzing numbers, and practice describing your projects and their impact. When you encounter questions you can't answer, research optimized solutions, study them deeply, and practice them again. Keep a list of common accounting interview questions and practice responses until they become natural. The secret sauce for landing your first job is showing genuine interest in the profession. Enhance this by referencing recent steps you've taken toward this career, like taking a training course. Employers want to see that you're serious about accounting. The systemic approach transforms you from someone studying aimlessly to someone who walks into interviews with genuine confidence and competence. Let me share my path so you understand what's possible. I learned about accounting at 17 through high school business courses. After graduating in 2013 from Texas A&M, I landed my first job at NG Gas and LNG, making $58,000 a year. I became a CPA in 2016. I progressed through various roles at Apache Corporation. I worked in consulting at Vena Solutions and Clearview Group, and then got promoted to an accounting manager in 2024. Today, I work remotely 4 days weekly and make $120,000 annually. Specialist in management, consulting, or controller work and make around $150,000 or more. This career allowed me to buy a house, cars, and travel. The most important lesson, be consistent and make job searching your job. Get out and meet people in person while applying through traditional methods. That's the 5-level pyramid to becoming an accounting professional. This approach works and will get you hired. It's a lot to figure out alone. Most people waste years piecing this together. They watch random tutorials without clear learning paths, send generic resumes that get ignored, or fail interviews because they don't know what employers want. If you keep trying alone, you risk wasting time, losing motivation when you hit obstacles, and missing higher paying accounting roles available right now. This is exactly why I work as a career coach with CourseCareers on their accounting program. When I looked at the market for good accounting training, I was disappointed. Most programs either assumed you already had experience or cost as much as a college degree. CourseCareers asked me to help coach students through a program that actually prepares people for real accounting jobs. Inside the full course, you get support both one-on-one and in groups with coaches like me who offer free workshops to help you get through the course and get hired. You get lifetime access to materials, updates, and community, but only if you pay in full. You can choose the full one-time payment of $499 or 4 bi-weekly payments of $150 each. And with my link, you save $50, bringing it down to $450. Remember that the discount is only available through my link. Plus, there's a 14-day money-back guarantee, so it's completely risk-free. Inside the full program, you'll get step-by-step training to acquire skills for getting hired as an accounting professional. The course teaches you job-ready skills through practical application, and the coaching support helps you navigate the job search process after you complete the training. That way, you can go from zero experience to hired in months, not years. Here's how you can get started. Click the link in the description to start the free intro course that will teach you exactly how to get a job as an accounting professional without experience or a college degree. Learn exactly what the career entails, explore the current job market, and discover how to break in. Use their free AI career counselor to find your perfect accounting specialization. Then, when you're ready, use my link to save $50 on the full program. Remember, every day you wait is another day you're not building toward that 50K plus starting salary and financial freedom that comes with it. Look, I've seen too many people get stuck in analysis paralysis, endlessly researching accounting careers, but never taking action. The business world is growing right now, and skilled accounting professionals are in massive demand. While everyone else is debating whether to go to college or alternative programs, you can be building real skills and earning good money. The reality is, accounting isn't going anywhere. Every business needs financial management. Every company needs compliance oversight. Every organization needs reliable financial reporting. This is a recession-proof work that pays well and offers genuine job security. Don't be the person who looks back in 5 years wishing they had started today. The free intro course takes less than an hour and can completely change your career trajectory. Click the link in the description to start your free course today. Take the first step towards your new accounting career.